Got this boy riding. I have a finger throttle on here, so I'm just using my hand. We have the governor just taped up. I'm driving pretty slow, but still having fun. It's Streched with these big bars. Honestly, it feels really cool to drive. I'm supposed to get a brake lever here, and we're gonna use that for the throttle. The seat's not attached. Brakes ain't on either, so we're definitely raw dogging it. We got one foot peg just to make it a little more comfortable, but this boy is fun, so fun. It's pretty quick too. The wheel's a little wobbly, it needs reseated, but yeah.